So next we're going to look at report drill throughs. So this is where I can start from one report. I can then right click on that report on a specific piece of data and then select a drill through and go to another tab and open up and have that filtered based on the previous tab. So what we're going to do first of all is on the table here, let's go ahead and we'll add in another value. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and add in the Net Promoter Score type label. So now we can see that that's on there. What I'm also going to do is if I scroll down, I've got a drill through section at the bottom. I'm going to turn that on and I'm going to do the same thing and put the label on there so that when somebody drills through from another tab, this will be what will filter for us. So if I go back to tip 2 and I'm going to add in a matrix. And what I'm going to put in here is, there we go, so we'll put in the label and then we want the count of the contact IDs. And we'll put that in as the value and change that to the count. Alright, so now we can see the label and the count of the contact IDs. Okay. We can just move that. There we go. So now if I right click and I do drill through, we can do tip number 5 because we've got that same value, that label value, we've got that same thing on tip number 5 tab. So if I right click there, now we can see that it's filtered and it's only showing the passives because that's what we clicked on from the previous tab.